I can take, you know, something for the pain. But right now, I still feel like after a day of taking antibiotics, still not feeling that great. I know it's only been a day, but I would think I would have some type of relief by now, but I don't. So I'm gonna make me a quick juice. Not sure how many bottles I'll get out of this, but I just wanted to kind of kickstart my healthy, what is it, my workout routine or whatever. So I just want to start with, you know, clean eating. So I'm gonna make me, try to make at least 2 juices if I can. So I have some celery, I have carrots, I have a green apple, red apple, pear, and ginger root. So that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to first start off with washing the fruit. Sunday, I went to Patient First yesterday, and I was supposed to get back with you all yesterday, but again, I was not feeling well, and like I said, I just recently got up, took a shower, made my bed, and it is 3 o'clock, after 3. I did get up this morning, made my breakfast, watched service this morning. Today is Sunday, I watched service, and then I just got back in bed, had to do a little bit of editing. And then I said, let me just get up and, you know, get today started, although it's late. But I definitely want to make a juice, so that's what I'm doing right now. Making a juice. I also feel like my allergies are bothering me too. Probably the change of weather. 1 minute it's cold and it's warm. Like yesterday was like 60 degrees. Today is 40. So I feel like that's why, you know, my allergies will start, you know, bothering me. Also I have asthma, so that also starts acting up when the weather changes. Rinse off the fruit. Next, I'm going to get my machine. Y'all know what happened last time. I barely put it together. again, I may only get one glass